No time to cook? Try this easy soy glazed chicken. Nako, masarap ito guys. Juicy yung chicken, coated in a sweet, savory soy sauce glaze na talagang malinamnam sa sarap. Sana i-try nyo. Mag-umpisa tayo. So first off is i-marinate natin yung chicken sa soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Sa exact or sa guideline naman ng measurements, nasa description box yan. Paki-check na lang. And then, imi-mix natin ito. Make sure na ma-well coat yung chicken ng marinade. Ima-marinate natin ito ng 20 minutes. Minimum 50, I'd say maximum mga 30 minutes lang. And then, after 25 to 30 minutes na i-marinate yung chicken, mag-heat up tayo ng oil on a medium heat. At kapag ito ay mainit na, ilagay natin yung marinated na chicken with yung sauce kung may natira pa ng konti. Okay, so I'd say i-cook natin yung chicken 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Again, over medium-high heat. And then, i-flip over lang natin ito for another 6 minutes. And then, after that, ito hindi pa masyadong luto yung chicken. At nag-add ako ng more oil kasi medyo nag-dry siya. I only used olive oil. And then, i-deglaze natin yung pan ng water. You can use chicken stock na i-deglaze natin ito. Gumamit ako dito ng onions, bottom part ng spring onions, and garlic. Yan. And then, igigisa lang natin ito ng mga additional 3 to 5 minutes again over medium heat. Make sure na i-deglaze talaga yung pan para yung mga brown bits ay, flavor. Nagdagdag ng flavor yan. So, yun na nga, exact measurements nasa description box yan. At kapag luto na yung onions and garlic, at of course, luto na yung manok, turn off the heat, and then pwede nyo itong give it a taste. At kung kailangan pa ng asin, add more. Dito, nag-add lang ako ng konting lemon juice. Konti lang. You can also add vinegar or calamansi. And that's it. Meron akong parsley sa garden. Naglagay din ako ng parsley dito, but it's optional. Pwede kayong gumamit ng spring onions. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Take care.